Very good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Adesh with my subject accountancy, chapter 8 journals, and the topic is also a journal. Actually, in this chapter, we have to learn all the things related to the journal entries. So, and journal entry having a different words to use, for example, journalizing, journal entry, journal. So, these are the words which are used for the journal entries. So, in this chapter, we will learn all the things which are related to the journal entry. What the rules, what account will debit, meaning of the journal, characteristics of journal, features of journal, use of different terms. So, these things, all these things which are related to the journal, we will learn in this chapter. So, student, up to the class, we learned the meaning of journal, terms are used for journal, functions of journal, characteristics of features of journal. These 4 points we covered in last class. Today we will cover the advantage of journal, limitations of journal, and the format of journal. Okay, after the completing the format of journal, after learn the format of journal, we will start the journal entries where we learn to how a transaction we will face, and then these transactions will converted into the journals. Okay, so student, now we are going to learn the advantages of journal. What are the advantages of a journal, and how these journals are beneficial for a business. Okay, and how these journal help to a accountant and the auditor. They can check and they can confirm the particular transaction, and how these journals help to a business for their decision making, for their analyzations, to confirm the profit of the business, for the financial performance, for the financial positions. So many of the things are required in a business. So, and these requirements can be fulfilled after we preparing the journal entries. Okay, so students, first advantage of a journal is, so we having many of the advantages of a journal. So the first one is provides accounting data in chronological order. When we preparing the journal, so these journals are recorded on the date wise. Okay, if a date is come first, so then the transaction will enter first, and next day transaction will record next. Okay, so for the journal entry we record a particular or a sequentially to entered into the business. So first advantage is this. Okay, so record all the journal entries in a sequence, and or a particular order is followed to record the journal entry. Second, possibility of error reduced. Possibility of error reduces. How the possibility is there? We can remove the errors, we can reduce the errors through the journal entry. When we recording a particular transaction as a journal entry, so at that time there were two aspects are followed. First one is debit and second one is credit, and the balance of debit and credit should be equal. If the balance is different, debit and credit, so then we can confirm there is error. So that error can be reduced after read the transactions again. Okay, so there is a comparisons are possible and the verifiable is also possible in journal entries. Okay, we can verify the transaction with the help of voucher and with the help of transactions, whatever the transactions we have done in our business. Okay, so journal entry help us to reduce the errors after recording these journal entries. Okay, next one, this is third. Explanation of the transaction. Explanation of transaction is also possible. How? After record the journal entry, at the bottom of the two aspects of debit and credit, we give a brief explanations related to the transaction. Okay, at that time, that brief explanation we call that narration. So that narration help us to define what the actually we have done in this particular journal entry. Okay, जब हम कोई जर्नल एंट्री पास आउट करते हैं तो वहाँ पर अकाउंट डेबिट हो गए, कुछ अकाउंट क्रेडिट होंगे, कुछ अकाउंट डेबिट होंगे. उनके बाद नीचे हम एक ब्रीफ एक्सप्लेनेशंस देते हैं, जिस ब्रीफ एक्सप्लेनेशन के अंदर मेंशन होता है वाई द अकाउंट इज़ डेबिटेड एंड वाई द अकाउंट इज़ credited, what is the purpose to accounts are debited and accounts are credited. So that brief explanations is a narration. Okay, this narration give explanations of the transaction, actually what the transaction is there and for which we have record the journal entry. So journal entry help to define the transaction. This transaction is related to this thing. Next advantage, ledger posting of transactions. Ledger posting of transactions means ledger prepared to ledger is possible after preparing the journal. जब तक हम जर्नल एंट्रीज प्रिपेयर नहीं करेंगे तो इट मीन्स तब तक लेज़र बनाना पॉसिबल नहीं होता. सो दैट्स वाई journal help to prepare the ledger. Okay, because what account is debited and what account is credited, so that credited and debited do according to the journal. Okay, so what account is debited, so that account is debited denoted by the DR, and which account is credited, so then that account is denoted by a CR. Okay, so students, journal help to prepare the ledger. So journal are posted into ledger. Okay, so next one is fifth, locating errors. If there is any error are there in the journal, so these errors can be confirmed at the time of preparations of the trial balance. So with the help of trial balance, when we doing and when we matching the debit and the credit balances of all the accounts, so at that time the accounts are not matched, means the debit and credits are not equal, so then we can confirm error is located in a particular transaction. Okay, so then we can remove those errors which are incurred at the time of recording the journal entry. So location of error can be identified and these errors can be removed easily. Okay students, so we having these 5 advantages of the journal entries, that is provide accounting data in a chronological order. कभी भी कोई एंट्री हमें सर्च करनी है तो then we can search with the date and the transaction. Possibility of errors reduce, एरर रिड्यूस हो सकती है क्योंकि डेबिट और क्रेडिट अगर हमारा इक्वल नहीं होगा जर्नल एंट्रीज का, सो देन द एरर कैन बी confirmed and then it can be removed after doing the comparisons of the debit and credit if the debit and credit is not equal. Explanation of the transaction, that is narration. It means it is a brief explanations of journal entry or the transactions is also mentioned in the journal entry. So then we can confirm and we can know the things for which the journal entry is passed out, for which the account is debited and account is credited. Ledger posting of transactions. So ledger's preparations is possible before after preparing the journals only. जब तक हम जर्नल नहीं बनाएंगे तो लेज़र बनाना हमारे लिए पॉसिबल नहीं होता. सो दैट्स वाई journals are posted into ledger. Next one is locating errors. If there are errors, so these errors can be identified at the time of preparing trial balance. So trial balance, both the debit and credit balance if is not equal, so then the error can be identified in the journals. Okay students, so we having these limitation or advantages or merits of journal. So after the advantages or merits of journal, we having some limitations also. So now students, we are going to learn the limitation of journal. What are these limitations of journal are? किसी चीज़ की कोई अच्छाई है तो then कुछ बुराई भी ज़रूर है. So what are these limitations? So which are defined under, so there are few limitations are also there of journal. So these errors are, the first one is not suitable for large volume of transactions. If there are large volume of transactions are there, so then it is not suitable for that. We can do, कर सकते हैं, लेकिन उनके लिए suitable नहीं है, because when we doing all journal entries before preparing the final account, before preparing the ledger, before preparing the trial balance, so journal entry cover more space comparison to all these things. Okay, so that's why in a large transactions, if a business having large transactions, so then it is not suitable for those. Okay, those type of business, the journals are not possible. Okay, so this is the first limitations of journals. Next one is second, that is cash balance is not revealed. Why कैश बैलेंस इज नॉट रिवील्ड? देखिए, ऊपर लिमिटेशंस में हमने डिस्कस किया कि इफ द ट्रांजेक्शन्स आर लार्ज, सो मोस्ट ऑफ द ट्रांजेक्शन्स इन अ पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस आर डूइंग इन ए कैश. Most of the expenses, most of the incomes, most of the selling purchasing are incurred in cash. So if these transactions are recorded in cash, so if we preparing the cash account, so then it is possible to find the cash balance. What is the actual cash balance should be there in a business. Otherwise, it is a problematic for the business. It is a difficult for the business to find the correct cash balance in their business. Okay, so but it is possible after preparing a particular cash book. Okay, so with the help of cash book we can confirm the cash balance, but when the transactions are large, so then it generate a problem to find the correct cash balance in the business. Okay, third one is not substitute of ledger. Not a substitute of ledger. Why? Ledger का substitute नहीं है. So ledger is prepared only after the journal entry, and ledgers are depend on journal. Whatever the accounts are debited and credited into the journal, so according to that those accounts will posting to the ledger, and if there is any error in the journal, so then that error will again generate into the ledger. Okay, So whatever the informations are there in a journals, so these journals will post it to the lasers, and there is a particular head under which the old transactions related to that head is prepared. Okay, so we can say it is not a substitute of laser, but lasers are depend on the journal. Okay, there is no substitute of laser. लेज़र का सब्स्टिट्यूट नहीं है जर्नल, लेकिन जो हमारे लेज़र्स हैं वो हमारी जर्नल्स पे डिपेंड्स हैं. सो दैट्स वाई इट इज़ अ limitations for the journal. Okay, so students, we having only 3 limitations and 5 advantages of journal. So the first one is not suitable for large volume of transaction. ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम ऑफ ट्रांजेक्शन से या ज़्यादा ट्रांजेक्शन से वहाँ पर ये suitable नहीं होते जर्नल्स, क्योंकि हर एक ट्रांजेक्शन्स को या हर एक जर्नल एंट्रीज को रिकॉर्ड करना एक टिपिकल टास्क होता है और उनमें हमारी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी इंक्रीज होती है. कैश बैलेंस इज़ नॉट रिवील. करेक्ट कैश कंफर्म करना जर्नल से पॉसिबल नहीं है, उसके लिए हमें एक पर्टिकुलर कैश बुक बनानी होगी. उसके बाद वी कैन कंफर्म द एक्चुअल कैश और करेक्ट कैश बैलेंस वॉट एवर इज हैविंग इन द बिजनेस. नॉट ए सब्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ लेज़र. इट इज़ नॉट अ सब्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ लेज़र. इट कम्स अंडर द लेज़र. ये लेजर्स के अंडर में आता है. इट मीन्स जो जर्नल की एंट्री है वो पोस्टिंग होती हैं लेजर्स में. सो लेजर्स आर प्रिपेयर आफ्टर प्रिपेयरिंग द जर्नल्स. ओके, सो दीज आर द लिमिटेशंस वी हैव स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द फॉर्मेट ऑफ जर्नल. इफ अ ट्रांजेक्शन इज रिकॉर्डेड, सो देन हाउ इट recorded and the placing of the particular account, the placing of particular narration, placing of particular amount, date, all the things are where we placed in a particular format. So students, let's see the format. Students, we having the format of journal. This is the format of journal. There are 1 2 3 4 5 columns are there, but these columns are prepared in a particular size. Okay, not in equal size. So first column the size is different, and the second column size is too large comparison to all other, and it is a smallest column, and these two columns are in same width. Okay, why it is? Because in different column we have to record the different things. So what are these different things we have to record? So according to the first column, this is a column for date, or we can say this is a date of column. Okay, so if I am writing this is a first column, so according to this it is defined as the first column there is date. So this date is defined as, in this column the transaction date is written. Okay, in this the date of transaction is written in the first column. अगर जिस डेट में भी ट्रांजेक्शन हो रही है डेट यहाँ पर मेंशन करेंगे, एंड देन द ट्रांजेक्शन विल रिकॉर्ड हो गया. सेकेंड, दिस इज अ particulars. This is a second column. So what this column is defined, in this column we record the dual aspect concept, which account is debited and which account is credited, and the narration also. Okay, so second one is particulars. So in this particular, we record the dual aspects, that is according to dual aspect concept of accounting, both debit and credit. Aspects of uh, transactions are recorded. According to dual aspect concept of accounting, both debit and credit aspects of a transaction are recorded. जो अकाउंट डेबिट हो रहा है और जो क्रेडिट हो रहा है, यहाँ पर उस अकाउंट को नोट करेंगे एंड इट इज़ डिनोटेड बाय DR at the right top, and the credit account is denoted and started with the word to, and then the account name and okay, dual aspects is followed, debit and credit, both the accounts are followed. Next one is, it is a narration. It is a third part, first, second, third. So now in the third part, narration, it is a brief explanation. Brief description of the transaction. Okay, it is a brief descriptions of the transaction. एक स्मॉल डिस्क्रिप्शंस दिया जाता है जो इसके अकॉर्डिंग, नरेशन के अकॉर्डिंग एक्सप्लेन किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट कॉलम इज LF. This is a fourth point, that is laser folio. LF. Actually, laser folio is written after preparing the journal, but these laser folio is right at the time of when we preparing the लेजर्स ऑफ दिस जर्नल. जब हम इन जर्नल से लेज़र पोस्ट करते हैं तो तब ये लिखे जाते हैं. ओके, तो ओनली द पेज नंबर और द लेज़र नंबर्स आर recorded in the laser folio. So in this column, the number of laser pages written. Okay, जिस नंबर पर लेज़र प्रिपेयर्ड हुआ है सो वो पेज नंबर इसके अंदर लिखा जाता है. नेक्स्ट वन इज फिफ्थ, दैट इज डेबिट. TRC इसको डिनोट किया जाता है रुपीस. इट इज़ अ 5. डेबिट अमाउंट, it is a debit amount with which amount the account is debited. So in this column the amount debited is written. Okay, and the last one is credit, that is CR rupees, that is a sixth. So sixth is credit amount. In this column the amount credited is written. Okay students, so this is the particular format of journal. So now in next class we will start to prepare the journal entry with the help of this format. Okay, and in today class we covered the advantages of a journal, limitations of journal, and the format of journal. Okay students, so you prepare your notes, and in next class we will start to record the journal entries. Okay, thank you students for today. Thank you.